guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while, like it's really been a long time. It's been actually like a whole year since I posted my last video, and that's mainly because I didn't want to basically, but I was also busy. I had a job and I had to go to school and I had to focus on those things. But now, since we're in quarantine, there's no excuse that I can give for not posting a video. So I will be posting more makeup tutorials, and a lot of the looks that I'm going to be posting are going to be looks that I've already done, because I have been posting my looks on Instagram and I have them saved in my highlights, but I don't have actual tutorials for them. So that's why I'm going to be making tutorials for those looks. And also, I did order some Fashion Nova, so I might be doing a Fashion Nova try-on haul for my next video, so stay tuned for that. But if you want to see how I do this look, then keep on watching, boo-boo. Okay, so I just wanted to say really quickly that in the next clip my eyebrows are going to be done, because I didn't record that part, and also the lighting will be a little bit off, but it gets better throughout the video. My eyebrows are done, as you can see, and they're like kind of ugly. Like, I honestly did not even like how I feel in my eyebrows, but whatever. But we're gonna start with the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take, it's kind of washed off already, so I don't know what brush it is, but this is a Morphe brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the first color, which is gonna be yellow, and I'm just gonna put that like up here because I need it to show. So I'm just gonna do that. Now I'm going to take this brush right here, and this is from BH Cosmetics, and it was like a set. I think I got it at Ulta. This is the number 6 because it just has a number on it. So this is number 6 from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna take the second color, which is gonna be orange. Once you have the orange on the brush, so this color, you're going to want to be a little bit more precise with it. So you're going to make sure it goes from here to your crease, and then you're going to flick it out. That's what you're doing basically. And you're not going to use this brush to blend it, because then it's just going to all turn into orange. So that's where we're going to go back with the brush that we used, the yellow, and blend out the edges. So I did the other eye. So the next color I'm going to take is still from the Morphe 35B palette. And I'm going to take this color right here. And I'm taking that on the BH Cosmetics number 8 eyeshadow brush. And yes, I have tape on it because it broke. So I'm kind of just pressing into my crease. So we're going to go back with this brush, and we're going to use that to blend out the edges. Okay, so now that that's blended out, now I'm going to take a darker color, and this one we're going to really focus on keeping in the crease. Like, we do not want this to get up to our brows. And I'm using this smaller brush, and this is the BH Cosmetics number 10. Okay, now I'm gonna tap off. We're not gonna get any more of that color. We're just gonna use what we have and blend it. Okay, so as you can see, I did that to this eye as well. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease. So I'm gonna use the same concealer that I used for like my eyebrows. And I like to put some of it on my hand, because I'm gonna use this brush, and this is the BH Cosmetics number 11, and it's like an angled brush, so I use that to cut the crease. And this is where you gotta really concentrate. You basically create your own eyelid shape from here. Okay, so after you've cut it, you're gonna take the same sponge or anything you can use to blend it out. So we're basically gonna go over again with more concealer just to make sure no colors are peeking through. Okay, so now we can actually put the shimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here, and I usually use this one for every time I do a crease. Okay, now that I have the shimmer, we're gonna make it look even more sharp. So I'm gonna take the same brush, I just cleaned it off. So now we're gonna take the same color that we used, like the very last color, this one right here. And we're gonna use it, you know, like on top. Okay, so now we're gonna take one more color, and it's darker than that one, like burgundy almost, brick red almost. Then go ahead and take that and use that to define it even more. Okay, so now I just did the other eye. Now I'm gonna take the shimmer that I said, which was this one, and I'm gonna dip into the little white part right there, because there's literally just, like, you can tell I just dig into the white. And then I'm gonna put this, right in the outline. I'm gonna take the yellow again. That's what you're gonna do, because I don't know how to explain, but let me just show you. So you're kind of making eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna take the orange next, and then now you're gonna do that again, but closer to the lash line. So now we're gonna take the pink that we took, and that's next. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush again, you know, the smaller one that we used for the crease. I'm gonna take the darker color, and this one's gonna go all the way on the edge. And now to take the darkest color, the really dark one from like this palette, this one again, and that should be the last color. I'm just gonna go ahead and like fix it up, just little touches up, and I'm gonna do that on this eye, and I'll be back. Okay, so I basically just like cleaned it up, and now I'm gonna conceal. Okay, so now that I basically just did that with the concealer, now I'm gonna take my foundation, and I put a lot of concealer because my foundation is actually too dark for me, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 124, and this is called Soft Sand. So I take this with this brush, I dip it in there, so I kind of do it like that. So then I take my Real Technique sponge and I just blend everything out. So now that I have like everything blended out, I'm gonna take my Fit Me powder, and it's in number 10, Fair Light. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with that. Okay, so I pretty much just set my whole face and I look white, so that's why I'm gonna bronze. Yeah, I'm gonna bronze. don't like to contour, I just like to bronze. I don't actually use like an actual bronzer. I use eyeshadow. Yes, I use eyeshadow. Because I don't have a bronzer right now and I can't even go out to get one. So I use this eyeshadow palette again. And I use this shade right here. So I only grab a little bit because obviously it's an eyeshadow, so it's going to be really pigmented. So I only grab a little bit. That's a lot, but dust it off a little. And then just like pat it in. You see? It still works. So I just did that, and as you can see now I don't look like Casper. Even though I still look like Casper because I'm white, but now we look a little bit more bronze. We have a little bit more color to ourselves. So now we're going to do the lower lash line. We're going to finish the eye. And I'm going to take this brush again, and this is the number 10 again. And I'm going to clean it off. It has like some of that purpley-ish color on there. This color right here, I used this color. And we're going to put that on our lower lash line. I'm going to take my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I really like this one. Okay, so I'm back. My phone died, but as you can see, I just did my hair. Now I'm going to apply my eyelashes, and I'm using Lily Lashes in Miami. So I'm just going to put these on really quickly. They already had glue. Okay, so I just put both of the eyelashes on, as you can see. So now all I'm gonna do is put some highlighter, and then I'm gonna put on this Kylie lipstick, and this is in the shade Commando. I just put that, and now I'm just gonna put highlighter. So I like to use this brush, this one. This one's a really good brush. I like to use it for highlighter. And for highlighter, like I said, you can always use an eyeshadow, but I'm going to use the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. See that? You see that? I put too much on my nose. Okay, that's better. So we're almost done, but the last thing we need to do is inner corners. I'm gonna use this purple shimmer. I just want to use purple for like a pop of color, so I just think it looks cute. So I just put that there. And then I'm gonna take like this white again, like the little hole of white that I have, and just put it on top just to make it more bright. Just like that. Okay, so that is it for this makeup look. If you really liked it, go ahead and give this video a like, because this is my first time doing a video like this, like a different setup, and I obviously didn't just film one eye and did a voiceover, so it was really different. I really don't film videos like this, like actually talking, because it's hard sometimes. I'm still not used to it. But if you liked it, then go ahead and give me some support, like it, because I definitely like this eyeshadow look. It's probably my favorite one that I've done so far. So yeah, and go ahead and subscribe because I will be posting more. Just stay tuned for all those videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!